Hello and welcome to this professional level 4 sample session taken from our revision course. Okay, my name is Emma and I will be your tutor to talk you through this session. So switch my screen down. Okay, so this is a snippet from lesson 1 of our professional diploma course. Okay. Sample question for you here. The course comes with a additional workbook full of lots of practice questions for you. Okay, so you have a go at this quick question here. Please feel free to pause the recording, have a go at the question, and then when you come back we will have a quick chat through the answers. Okay, I will see you shortly. Okay, so how did you get on with that question? Okay, so here are the answers. If I just minimize that for you. Okay, so I rather generously left the multiple choice answers there for you. Okay, two things to remember here with this question when you are doing your calculations. Inventory is valued at lower of cost and net realizable value. And remember, LIFO, last in, first out, is not used in the valuation of inventory in the financial statements. Okay, so your final answer was £30,800, and there are the workings for you. So 8,300 plus 10,200 plus 12,300. Okay. Your lower of cost or net realizable value for each of those areas. Okay, so that was that question. So moving on, the other thing that we do include in our revision courses are just a reminder of the different learning outcomes, okay, and what you could potentially be examined on. So using ratio analysis as our example from financial statements, you need to be able to calculate your ratios with regard to profitability, liquidity, efficient use of resources and financial position. You need to be able to appraise the relationship between elements of the financial statements with regard to profitability, liquidity, efficient use of resources and financial position by means of ratio analysis. And then you need to be able to effectively present an analysis with recommendations. Okay, this is where your writing comes in. Okay, there are lots of hints and tips available to you throughout this session. Okay, I've put together some documents for you to help with your written answers. Okay, so extra things there for you to think about. So it's just a brief overview and presentation of what is included and involved on this level 4 revision session. Thank you for watching. My name's Emma and hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much.